two trains 130 and 110 meters long while going in the same direction. The faster train takes 1 minute to pass the other completely. If they are moving in opposite direction, they pass each other completely in 3 seconds. Find the speed of the trains. Alright, so the question is telling me that there are two trains, they are moving in the same direction, they are moving in opposite direction. Okay, so before getting into the question, let's calculate the relative speed as here for both the trains, right? So now whenever two objects are moving in the same direction, okay, what we do is we find out the difference in their speeds, okay, to get our relative speed. So your relative speed will be s1 minus s2, s1 and s2 being the speeds of the train. Now in the opposite direction, when the two objects are moving in the opposite direction, we add the speeds of the two objects, right? So here this relative speed will be s1 plus s2, right? S1 s2 again being speed of the trains. Now there are two trains 130 and 110 meters long, okay, so there are these two trains who are 130 meters and 110 meters long while going in the same direction. The faster train takes 1 minute to pass the other completely. So when the trains are going in same direction, time taken is 1 minute, or I can say that 60 seconds. And if they are moving in opposite direction, they pass each other in 3 seconds. And when they are moving in opposite direction, the time taken to pass is 3 seconds. Find the speeds of the train. So we have to find out s1 and s2. Okay, so now when can we say that these two trains completely pass each other? When this part of the first train passes this part of the second train, only then we can say that they have completely passed each other, right? So that means here distance will be this total distance, right? The distance will be the total length of these two trains. So it will be 130 plus 110, which is equals to 240 meters, right? Now we have speed, we have time, and we know the distance. So let's use the formula that is let's use the formula which is speed is equals to distance upon time. Okay, so we know that distance, which is 240 divided by 60, and s here being s1 minus s2, right? So let's solve. 6 4s are, so we get s1 minus s1 minus s2, which is equals to 4. Let's call this equation 1. Now let's use the formula speed is equals to distance upon time here as well when the trains are going in opposite direction. So distance here is 240, time is 3 seconds, and s is s1 plus s2. So 3 8s are, so we have s1 plus s2 is equals to 80. Let's call this equation 2. Okay, now what we do here is add the equation 1 and 2. Okay, so let's see what we get. S1 minus s2 is equals to 4, and s1 plus s2 is equals to 80. So plus minus gets cancelled, and we get 2s1 is equals to 84, or I can say that s1 is equals to 42 meter per second. And from this we can also calculate the value of s2, which would be 42 minus 4, which would be 38 meter per second. So we have got our answer. It is 42 and 38. So here option D here is the correct one.